Hello IT Pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. So in this video I'm going to do a quick review for these wireless headphones, Skullcandy Riff wireless. And I've been looking for a wireless headphones for a long time now. I mean, I'm using a regular with cord headphones. I'm going to leave the link in the description below if you're curious. They are really good, but I wanted something wireless. So this one has 12 hours battery life, which is really good. And if you charge them for around 10 minutes, you're going to have you can have them working for around 2 hours. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. So I'm going to use this more for my desktop computer, not much for my cell phone or all that, because I like to use it. I spend a lot of time on my desktop. So here we are. We open the box, and now we are going to open this little box. So you can see here, this one is charged using a micro USB. I wish these were USB-C, but that's not the case, but that's not big of a deal. Then we have the 2-year global warranty. That's pretty cool. Now we're going to check the instructions, which I'm going to show you later. You can see there. And now we're going to check the actual headphones. So as you can see here, this color is gray and green. There are many colors, of course. This is not the only one. But this is the one I chose for this one. Now this has it has this plastic cover. You can, like any other headphones, you can adjust the size for your head. So that's kind of, well, that's standard, let's say. Now I'm going to take out these plastic covers, and I'm going to show you how it looks. These headphones also have a microphone built in, so that's really good too. I don't use much the microphone, to be honest, because I already have a good microphone, but that's a perk. For example, when you are on a cell phone, if you're going to use it for a cell phone or for a tablet, it's really good to have. And you can fold it like I'm doing in the video if you are going to go for a walk, if you have to go to school or to university or something like that, or if you're going for a walk. And what I like a lot is that they're super comfortable on the ears. So that's really good. This is the one I use, actually, the blue ones with orange. And I've been using these for about 1 month, and I don't have any complaint about this. It's really good. I bought the silver one for my office, so I don't have to take them to work, and then I might forget it. I come back, I forgot my headphones, so that's why I have these two. So again, it's very comfortable on the ears. This very soft material, and that's something that for me is very important. Now, what we are going to do next is I'm going to still show you around how they look. They have many other colors, like I mentioned a few seconds ago. And now, since this is going to be for my desktop, I don't have Bluetooth built in my desktop computer. That's why I bought this wireless, this USB Bluetooth adapter. I believe it costs like $6, $5. I'm going to leave the link to Amazon in the video description as well. So it's really quick. You just connect it, and after a few seconds you have Bluetooth. That's not big of a deal. If you're doing this on a laptop or a cell phone, you don't need this, of course. So these are the instructions, very straightforward. If you press it for 5 seconds, it's going to turn on. It's going to blink. The light's going to blink to pair. And then you have these other options like the track back, track forward, the volume. If you press it once, it's going to answer a call. And if you want to activate voice assistant, in my case would be Cortana, you have to press fast 2 times. So that's pretty cool. If you are on a cell phone, whether it's Android or Apple, is going to trigger the voice, the virtual assistant as well. So it's very straightforward to follow. It's really easy to use. I like it a lot because of that. That's one of the reasons I like it a lot, of course. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to keep it fresh for about 5 seconds, and as you can see, it's on now. So it's in pair mode. So it's blinking like it says in the instructions. So it has only 3 buttons, the one in the center and the volume up and volume down. So as you can see here, I'm testing it. And what we are going to do now, since I'm in Windows, I'm going to connect it to this computer. So here we are. As you can see, the icons are a little bigger so you can see it better. So I'm going to type settings, and I'm going to choose that option. And then we're going to go to devices. We click on it, and the Bluetooth, since it's already connected, the USB Bluetooth adapter, I don't have to do anything else. You don't have to install it or anything, it's automatic. And then I go to add Bluetooth devices. So Bluetooth, and it's going to look for the headphones. There you go, Riff Wireless. So it's going to take a few seconds to pair it, and that's it. That was really fast. The video is not sped up or anything. That was quick. So as you can see, I have two. The one I just bought, which is the silver, and the other, which is the blue and orange. So I don't have anything else to do here, so we're going to go back to the headphones itself, well, themselves. So as you can see here, it's blinking, and now it's blinking blue. So that means it's paired and that the device is on. It tells you on the headphones, you're going to listen something like pair or something like that, so you know it's paired. So now we are going to see the instructions. No, not instruction. I'm sorry. We're going to listen to some music so you can see how it sounds. All right. So allow me a few seconds while I'm trying to do that. So here we go. So there you go. That was playing some classical music at the maximum volume. That's how it sounds. So when you go to the limit, it's going to blink. It's not going to. It's going to make like a beep telling you, "Hey, this is the max volume." And when you go down, it's going to make another beep saying, "Hey, this is the lowest we can go." So it has good sound. You have heard that. It's good. I believe it's good volume. Of course, it's never a good idea to have the highest volume because you're going to damage your ears. Now, another thing, one drawback, which I would say, if you're going to choose this to make cardio, for example, it's not advisable. I tried and it makes your ears a little hot and you're going to be sweaty and all that. It's not advisable to that. It's for walking maybe, or to stay at home. When I'm at home, I just put it on my neck and I walk around if I'm listening to music or something like that. It has a really good range. I would say that's another thing I like a lot. And for the charger, I think it's very, very short. I already had this long charger, about 1 meter or how much is that? How many, like 3 feet, something like that. When the battery is low, I just connect it and I can still use it. So, but that's, I'm not saying that's a super inconvenience. I'm just telling you that I already had the cable. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Oh, by the way, this video is not a sponsor or anything. I just wanted to change really my headphones for wireless ones, and I wanted to buy something that is really comfortable, good quality, but it's not super expensive, like, I don't know, $300 or $100 or something like that. So that's why I made this video. So thank you very much. I'm showing you the microphone there. Maybe I forgot to show it before. But that's what I wanted to show you in this video, guys. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.